Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Facebook Stories is a great way to connect with your audience. Users can use the in-app camera filters and lenses to take videos and photos. Then upload the photo or video collections to Facebook for friends to see, and all content posted to stories lasts only 24 hours. The first way is turn on airplane mode. When your phone is in airplane mode, it won't be connected to the internet. Thus, Facebook will be unable to register that you've visited other people's stories. After you open the Facebook app, scroll through all the stories to load them. Then, turn on airplane mode, tap the story and watch it. You should close the Facebook app before you turn off airplane mode. Second way, half swiping. The second way to view Facebook stories anonymously is to stop watching the story halfway through. It means that you can't view the whole story. While you're viewing a story, you can half swipe right or left to another story without letting go. At this moment, you're still in the previous story. This method works best for the image in the story. If it's a video, you can only see the thumbnail. The third way, deactivate your Facebook account. If you want your username to appear in the people's viewers list, you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. Then, your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. When you post a story on your Facebook, it becomes visible at the top of your Facebook newsfeed. Stories differ from posts as they do not allow your friends or followers to like, comment, or share publicly. You can post your story with a Facebook application, website, or Messenger. When your friends post their stories, they appear at the top of your newsfeed in the Stories section. It can be seen as a series of rectangular panels with a small picture of a Facebook user at the top left corner. Unviewed stories have a blue ring circling the user's profile picture, while viewed stories have not. It is possible to see people who viewed your stories' Facebook story. This feature was introduced for businesses to track customers' engagement. You will see a rectangular series of circular profile picture of users at the bottom left of your phone or laptop screen. Here, you will see a list of people who have viewed your Facebook story. If no one has viewed it, it will say no viewers yet. Click viewers to see the names of those who have viewed. On the same page, you will see also have a list of viewers who have seen your story. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.